Okay, eto na. The announcement. Ay, nagpalit siya ng damit. The announcement. Nakatulog na ako, ha? Bilisan mo na. O, nag-loading pa sila, di ba? Eh, nagigigil ako, eh. Nagigigil ako. Yes, Arboni. Jeremiah.
These empowered women have shown resilience.
Oh my God. Wala na palang top 3, no? Hindi ako na-inform.
They've captivated our hearts, and tonight, their journey culminates here
Okay.
on this very stage.
Go!
Tonight, one of these outstanding ladies
Sino?
will take the crown and carry the legacy forward.
Ay.
Mo Arena, Philippines, are you ready?
Alden, tulog na ang Pilipinos. Ang Pilipino.
I'm saying, but the results are now in. The selection committee have made their decision, and we
Okay.
are seconds away from unveiling the next Miss Universe Philippines.
Sino yung next universe? Oh my God, baka si Bulacan. Oh my God, sino kaya? Atisa? Kasi nag-deliberate daw sila, eh.
With results overseen by certified
Hindi yan sa judging, eh. I mean, hindi yan sa scores. Nag-deliberate kasi sila. So parang alam mo yun, okay, ito si... For example, si Christy yung pinakamataas. Pero si Christy babagay sa Supra.
Our top 5 will take on the crown tonight. Ladies,
Sino kaya first runner-up?
luck.
Okay. Oh my God!
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh my God! Ang ganda ni Sambales talaga. I love Sambales.
Miss Universe 2024 fourth
Ay, fourth runner-up. Fourth runner-up. Okay. Fourth runner-up. Dali! Nire-ready ko pa yung Anes.
Taguig!
Ay! Huh? Anyari, te? Ha? Ha? Diyos ko, Jonas! Lutong-luto.
2024, third runner-up is
Baguio!
Ay, puta, bakit naging bago? Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! Ang gulo-gulo ng result, sorry. Sorry. Oh. Si Bulacan and Atisa?
Three ladies left. Our Miss Universe 2024 second runner-up is
Feel na din mag-host, no? Ay!
Quezon Province!
Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Ano ang nangyayari? Kainta? Kainta, dear. Si Kainta. Pak!
okay. Two ladies
Oh my God!
and only one will become
I love it.
Miss Universe Philippines 2024.
I love it.
the Miss Universe Philippines,
G, gulat na gulat ako sa result.
the Mega World Samrita Award. She will also become an ambassador of the Philippine Airlines, Gel Life, Cream Silk, Surge Fitness Lifestyle,
Totoo ba?
DT Home,
Totoo
and
ba?
Plus.
Ha?
Mo Arena, Philippines, ladies.
Pero in fairness, ang ganda.
Priceless moment.
Ang ganda kasi may gulat factor. Yan.
You're right. This moment right here. This is it, you guys.
Oh my
And we are
God.
all going to witness one tonight as we crown the new Miss Universe Philippines.
Gulat na gulat ako, dear.
The Miss Universe Philippines will be crowned with the La Mer and Majestic crown from Julimer, embellished with golden South Sea
Kainta.
pearls, considered as the
Masyado pang, for me, masyado pang hilaw si Bulacan. I don't know din kay Kainta kasi ngayon ko lang din nakilala. Pero deserve ni Kainta. Maganda din si Kainta. Taray, no? Wala man lang sa kanilang lumusot sa Sash Factor and Mixology. Hala. Ay, feeling ko Bulacan, nag-i-experiment sila ng bagong ano? Ng bagong formula?
We will announce first is our new
Miss Universe.
followed by the
First runner-up. Okay, gets. Sure.
Alden, you look too ready.
Talaga ba?
And
Me
excited.
too. Oh my gosh. Whew.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth.
Oh my God.
Our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is...
Sino? Si Kainta yung bet ko. Kainta. Ibigay mo na kakainta yan. Feeling ko Bulacan. Nag-experiment sila eh. Gumagawa sila ng panibagong formula. Oh my God. Talaga ba? Hindi ako makapaniwala, dear. Just! Hoy! Hi! Sabi ko na eh. Bulacan.
And our first runner-up
Bulacan.
is Kainta.
Pa-formulate sila ng panibagong formula. Chelsea. Nagtatry sila ng panibagong formula. Formulating a new formula. Gusto mo yun? Bakit ganun yung gown niya? Yung ano niya? Yung... Who would have thought? Ano yung kasi? Ano yan? Kung hindi na tuloy siya makagalaw. Nakakagalaw pa ba siya sa gown niya? Sa ano niya? Crown? Ang ganda ng gown ni Michelle D. Ayun, inayos. Inayos. Ang ganda ng gown ni Michelle D.
This is it. Please take your first walk as Miss Universe Philippines 2024. You did it!
Grabe, no? Gosh. Ba't parang hindi siya masaya? Just! Ba't walang cry moment? Charis. Well, let's support her kasi she will gonna represent Philippines, di ba? We should be proud of her.
Our new set of Miss
Bakit kayo yung itsura ni Lukban? Keso. Yes, Lukban. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!